Hello guys, welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a drop down button inside of Flutter. So what is a drop down button? A drop down button is a button that is something like a spinner, where when you click on it, it drops down a list of items that you can actually click on to select that option. So you can think of it as a single select kind of list of items. So let's take a look at how it is created. So we do that using DropdownButton right now, and so unchanged is just value here, and so we have items, and the items is a list of drop-down menu items. So we pass drop-down menu item just like that, and the child can be a text. So for example, I could specify so let me just do hint here. So here this takes in some hints. Select country. So the hint is going to be what is going to show when there is no drop-down menu item currently selected. Right? What's this? So this drop-down button actually is a generic type. So I'm going to do that. And the value, actually I'm going to get to that in a minute, but the value of this is going to be 0. And I'm also going to be explaining why the value is 0. But here, for this we're going to have a text. Let's just say Nigeria, and then so I'm going to be selecting a bunch of countries, like let's say I don't know, what other country do I know? Probably know like what, 5 countries? Spain, I don't know, Mexico. Alright, I think that's good enough. So here you're going to change the values. Make sure that the values of each drop down menu item is not the same. If not, there's going to be an error. Alright. So once you have done all of this, you can actually run the program. And in the case of Flutter, we just do hot reload, and you can see voila, we have select country showing up here, and you can click on it to do whatever you want with it. Alright, so you can have a drop down showing up as you expect. And yeah, so if you want to make the values actually update here, what you can do is I'm going to change this to a stateful widget. Alright, and then I'm going to do int value here, and then I'm going to say value for my drop down widget is whatever value I have inside of my class here. I hope that is something you understand. And here now, unchanged, I'm going to call SetState to say that value is the value equals to whatever value that was given. This is referencing, of course, this class, so that should work. And now if I do hot reload, you should see that nothing changes. Get out by default. But if I now start selecting a country, you're gonna see the country updated inside of here. So that'll be all for this video about drop down button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.